We have a very specific reason. I'll tell you in a second here. Put your kickstand down. I want you to drop it.
It's down.
Okay. Just step off the bike real quick, sir.
All right.
We'll tell you what's going on.
Okay.
You have a concealed carry at all? Got any weapons on you?
I have it, but I don't have a weapon on me.
Okay. We can put you in cuffs real quick. We'll tell you what's going on, okay? Idea.
In my, one of these
Here?
pouches, yeah.
Inside the inner pocket?
It should be in the front zipper right there.
Here?
Yeah, there's a wallet in there.
Is your wallet?
It's in there.
How do you open it?
From that side, just pull it
I'll
apart.
slide it out.
Yeah. Should be in the back. Yep.
You have no weapon on you, correct?
Nothing.
Okay. Here's the reason why we stopped you. We had a call of a male white Hispanic, white helmet, black and white shoes on a small dirt bike that pulled a gun on 500 North Lakeshore Drive, and it's on our pod cameras, okay? I'm not saying it's you,
I'm
but we're just...
recording right now, so I got...
That's fine. We got our body cameras rolling too. I just want to give you a heads up why we're stopping you, so like why we're picking you out of everyone.
Yeah, definitely not me though.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna run your name. You're good to go. We'll get you out of here, okay?
Cool.
So there's a pod camera showing a guy with a white helmet, black and white shoes. He pulls a gun out.
Okay.
All right, he's on one of these bikes.
Where was that at?
Right here at Congress and Columbus.
Oh, okay.
Were you guys traveling southbound at all?
We went down State Street, and then we went up 79th, and then we came down and we went right there to the fountain.
You what?
We came down from 79th and we went right by the fountain.
Okay.
One Adams actually there, Lower Wacker and Columbus giving a slow down unit. 161 Adams, just slow it down. The person's done. Lower Wacker and Columbus, slow it down.
Do you have any compartments on here?
No.
Complete disregard unit.
There's
Complete
under the seat
disregard.
it
Lower
holds like
Wacker and
paperwork right
Columbus,
there.
Lower Wacker and Columbus, you get a complete disregard.
Can I get off?
Yep. You got your license?
Of course.
Registration, proof of insurance?
All that's gonna be under the seat.
Nope, that's fine. Okay. As long as you're not suspended in the state.
No. I have a spotless record.
Okay. Well, after tonight, you're not going to.
For what?
Speed,
How fast is I going?
46 and a 25.
Really? I'm sorry. I came off that corner. I've been out in the
I know
rain.
you came off that corner. I saw it.
Yeah, I saw you. I knew you were a cop. I wasn't trying to speed on purpose. I was literally just, I live right down there, and I was just trying to get home with the rain and everything from tonight.
Well, obviously it wasn't me at the stop sign.
Yeah,
down
no.
the road next to you.
Like, say, I knew you were a cop. I didn't think I was going that fast. I mean, obviously, I'm...
Fortunately, you were.
I'm sorry about that. I really am.
Okay. All right, let me run your information real quick. You're not suspended, revoked, barred, or anything like that?
Nope, everything's squeaky clean.
And your insurance is good through May 29th.
Yes,
so
sir.
I will give that back to you. You just get off work then, or?
Yeah, I just got off work, and I've been running the storm all day.
Okay, let me run your information. I'll be right back.
All right.
All right. Okay. I am issuing you a citation,
Okay.
but I'm not going to issue a full amount.
Okay.
I understand you're driving truck, and it's going to hurt you anyway. But if I wrote you for the full 21 over, you'd really be hurting.
Okay.
So, what I'm writing you for is 10 over. Okay, and it's underneath Iowa code 321-285. So it's a $40 scheduled fine, 14 surcharge, 60 court costs for a total of $114. With 35 and a 25, I did right on here you were doing 46. Okay, and I got the radar locked in at 43 as soon as I get turned around on you. If you want to see the radar, I'll show it to you. Okay.
All right.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. That's your copy there. And then I just need your signature here in that box. By signing it, it's not admission of guilt. It's just promise to appear in court to feel you unjustly serve that citation for 35 and a 25 versus 46. Okay?
And here's your registration and license.
So, I'll take it.
And I understand you're probably trying to get home before the rain, and if it's going to downpour, yeah, you want to get home before everything's soaking
Yeah.
wet, but
Honestly, just stupid, you know.
Okay.
But I appreciate you helping me out a little on it. And
Okay, not a problem. But I mean, you go, if you would have went like 4 more miles over the speed limit, you'd actually lose your license in the state. You'd actually be suspended for a serious moving violation.
Okay.
So,
Well, that's good to keep it a little slower.
just slow her down is all I can ask you, all right?
All right. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
You got
Hello.
Good. Go ahead and give me your license, registration, proof of insurance. I'm Sergeant Freeman with the Sheriff's Office.
Sure. Insurance under the seat.
That's fine. You can go ahead and get off.
Here you go, sir.
Cool. Thank you.
Insurance is on my phone, but I have. Okay.
I don't know if you'll be able to get to it down here. There's not cell phone service.
I have a picture of it.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, just for information.
I have one, but I just realized it's expired.
This is your temporary registration. Do you have your permanent? That'd be the one I'm looking for. Right
There you go.
Perfect.
Sorry.
All right. Do you know what the speed limit is on North Lake Road?
I'm guessing 25, 35.
30.
Yeah.
Close to 30. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Over 60 in a turn. I got you doing over 60.
I apologize. I'm sorry. It's the turns. I'm sorry.
I get it. Look, I get it. You want to have fun on the bike. I get that. Okay. But there are places for it, and up here, man, I got bike end trails all on the side of the road up there from guys laying down their bikes.
Okay.
So do me a favor, hang tight for just a minute, okay?
I have
You got it up?
registration. Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome. Remember, like I said,
Yeah. Go ahead.
Law doesn't allow that, but I mean, if he allows it, you're good. So.
Yeah, that's why I try to come in the morning when there's not that many people. We were just heading out right now too, but I apologize. I'm sorry.
It's all good. So do me a favor, hang tight for just a minute. Okay?
Sure.
Hey, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have you follow me up there to our aid station. You know where
Okay.
that's at?
No.
Okay. Go up to North Lake Road, the stop sign where you would head in this way. You're gonna make a left. Okay.
Follow you?
Just follow me out.
Okay. That was the last run too. We were about to leave and then this happens. He said he caught me doing 60 and there's a 30 here. So I mean that is criminal speeding. I don't know if I'm going to jail or not. He seemed kind of nice. I mean, I don't know. This is definitely the slowest I've ever taken this road. I've never gone on a police escort before. This is kind of cool. Fast forward 5 minutes later, I'm in the back of a cop car going to jail. Yeah, it's really cool, huh?
What's a good telephone number for you, sir? Okay, I'm gonna do you a solid today. I'm gonna just give you a warning.
I appreciate it,
You've
sir.
been super cooperative with
Yeah.
me. You were apologetic.
Yeah.
It goes a long way with me, all right?
I understand.
So here's what I'm gonna do. Like I said, this is just a written warning. Okay,
Don't let me catch you doing this again, otherwise I won't be so nice next
I
time.
won't. I apologize, sir. I apologize.
All right, this is your information right here, vehicle information. Okay. Today's date where we were at, like I said, 63. It's posted 30. It's just a written warning for speeding. Okay. It's not a citation. You can go home, hang it on the fridge, let the dog tear it up, do what you want to do, use it for target practice, whatever. If I can, I just need your signature. It's just acknowledging that you're going to receive a copy of this little deal here.
Appreciate it, sir.
Cool. All right, located. This is your copy. There's your license and your registration.
Okay.
So there's that stuff.
Thank you, sir.
Do me a favor, slow down.
I will. I am sorry.
It's okay.
Have a good day.
Okay?